GOP Chairman Michael Steele just telling me that there could be payback for Republicans who support the health care bill, but could there also be blowback for those 39 Democrats who voted against the health care bill? Let's ask one, because he is one of them. New Jersey Congressman John Adler joins me right now. Congressman, good to have you back.
Hey, Neil, nice to talk to you.
Was there any punishment or snickering or, ooh, Congressman, you're going to pay for not going along with Nancy on this one from anyone?
Yeah, I've got to tell you, the discussions I had with House leadership and with the White House in the days leading up to the vote were all very respectful. We're all very policy-oriented. It was about what things I thought should be in the bill to make it possible for me to vote for a bill. There's no question we need health care reform to make more Americans able to get access to preventive care and primary care. I was concerned all along about the lack of cost containment in the bill that came through the House. I said that back in June and consistently since then.
So they knew your no vote was coming, right?
Well, I think they hoped for a yes vote all along.
Right.
But I was consistent in saying I thought we needed to have cost containment to make it affordable for taxpayers and for business.
Okay, and you are not one of these, just to be clear, so-called blue dog Democrats, this group of 52, largely fiscally moderate conservatives, within the Democratic Party. You're your own guy. You're not voting with any group, right?
Well, I'm a member of a new Dems caucus, which is for technology and business growth for our country. We sure need that right now. I'm not in the Blue Dogs. I like those guys, but I'm not part of that caucus.
So what caucus are you with? What is it called?
It's called the New Dems. It's pro-business, pro-economic growth. It tries to find ways to grow our economy the way it grew in the 1990s and the 80s and previous decades. We're sputtering along right now in this decade, but we'll figure out ways. We're America. We'll make it better again.
How many New Dems are there?
I think there are about 70, and a few of the folks who voted against the bill on Saturday were New Dems. So
how many in the House? How many in the House?
How many in the House overall? I think about 70.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I don't know how many were so-called blue dog. I think there were in excess of 26, so maybe 13 of your New Dem members did vote against. That means the overwhelming majority did not. So are you feeling a little like Custer?
No, I'm feeling somebody who votes his conscience. I've been in government for a few years. I tried very hard to listen to the people of my town and my district. Now I'm in Congress. It's a privilege to do it. And I'm going to listen to the people of my district and make up my own mind to do what I think is right for my region and for my country.
Congressman, how much of your decision, not that I'd be so cynical, or would you, was influenced by the elections last week where Chris Christie won in your state for governor, toppling the Democratic governor, John Corzine?
Well, for me, there was no implication whatsoever. Back in June, I thought we didn't have cost containment in the bill. I said so then. I said so in op-ed pieces. I've been on your program before, and on Fox Business and said this. I've been on MSNBC and been beaten up about it a little bit. But I've been saying the same thing consistently because it's what I believe. And it's pretty easy to vote your conscience and do what you believe is right. And I've been saying it, and now I did it on Saturday. I'm proud of it.
Did you get any other reaction when you appeared on those other news channels?
By and large, people want to hear government people tell the truth and say what they believe. And so while I got a little guff on here and there, by and large, people want government officials to say what they believe and then go do it. I said what I believed, and I went and did it.
Congressman, thank you very much.
Good to talk to you.
All right, first, the shooting now, claims of an al-Qaeda